Okay, yesterday afternoon my new Starlink turned up, so today I'm going to try and set up. Yeah, I'm pretty excited I got it. It's expensive, but yeah, it's been a long story. But anyway, we've been in this house for a while now, and when we come here we got this satellite dish, and we've been using that for our internet, and can't complain. It's got us here, and it only cost 10,000 peso to install, and the internet's so cheap. It just runs through this repeater into this little Wi-Fi, and it costs 800 peso a month for unlimited. But the problem with it is just not reliable. Like, one day it can be working perfect, you can be watching YouTube, video calling people, and then yeah, it can just turn rubbish, like just nothing. Especially it seems to be weather related when it's raining or cloudy. I think it's because it's actually repeating to the phone towers. So if the phone tower's down, we're down. And also you get the problem with on weekends when heaps of people come. I notice there must be more phones or users, and then yeah. Anyway, it's just not reliable. So it's not as good. It's been good anyway. 10,000 peso, and then this Starlink it's 3,800 peso a month. So sort of works out. Didn't really cost me that much, but anyway, I'll open this thing up and see how it goes, because I've never done this before. They've made this, oh, I haven't tried it yet, but it looks like they've made this foolproof. Look at the instructions. It's huge. Okay, download the app, plug it all together, plug it in. Seems simple enough. Actually, I like these instructions. They do make it super basic, and check out these plugs. They're pretty smart. They're like waterproof, I guess. Nope, they make everything. Oh, hang on, what am I doing? Alright, that goes in the dish, hang on. Nice. Actually, I was almost going to give up YouTube because the GoPro's playing up. My drone just has mind of its own and starts freaking flying down whenever it feels like it, and then this signal is so bad that sometimes it took like 18 hours to upload a quick 10-minute video, so as things were getting way too hard. But we're getting back on my feet now because we got the backup power source. Now we've got Starlink that we can run off that, so maybe I can sort my drone out and maybe get a new camera and I'll be back. But anyway, I've been following these instructions. They're pretty basic. So you got, this is just a router. I think that's just a power regulator. We'll plug that in. Oy. And then from the router you got a cord going to your dish, which I'm just sitting here temporary. Okay, you got it all temporary set up, just waiting for the app to download. Actually, I'm pretty excited to test this thing out because I've had bad internet. Like, it's never been good in the Philippines. Like, it's just always hit and miss. One day it's good, next day's not good. So I'm hoping this kid's just amazing. Probably the best Wi-Fi internet I've had. Plus, I'm a bit of a fan of Elon's. I like watching his spaceships land and take off, and his robots, and all the stuff he makes. It's pretty cool. And yeah, so far I'm pretty impressed with. They've made it foolproof. Yeah, you can only put the plugs in the right ways. Each plug's different. It's like super simple. Oh, Hang on, I haven't got it going yet. Let's see. Okay. Okay, on the app, you've got heaps of stuff. You can see it says Starlink powered on, how much power it draws. How it starts.
That's so good.
Okay. Queen's just giving it a test. She said it's amazingly fast.
That's so good.
Alright, we'll give it a bit of a test up. This is for Philippine-based people that are trying to get the Starlink. I had heaps of trouble getting the just getting it to go through, because you can't just ring someone up and buy it. You have to go onto the Starlink and type in all your details, and every time I was doing it, it wouldn't allow it to go through, and I thought it was my bank card, because I only have a debit card, and some people told me, no, you need credit card, so I ordered it's a long story, but I got ordered a credit card. That took another couple of weeks. Typed it all in, still didn't work. I was going, like, pulling my hair out, going, what's going on? And then, yeah, I found out the problem is you've got to have a TIN number, which is the Philippine tax file number. So yeah, if you're gonna get Starlink, whether you're a foreigner or Filipino, make sure you get a TIN number. And just a tip, you can use anyone's TIN number. Okay, we just done a super temporary basic install just with cable ties. There's the power bank, there's the Wi-Fi plugged in there, and hopefully this will hold. I'll put some better mounts on. Gotta buy one, but I just put 2 tech screws through the little bracket that it come with, straight through there. It's working super fast. It's a super cloudy day, as you can see, and it's working really good. One thing I did notice though is it makes a bit of noise, this dish. You can hear it like humming, and you put your hand on it, there's a little bit of heat there. So, not sure if that's normal. I do wonder how it'll go on the roof when this tin gets hot. Yeah, if anyone knows, let me know. I was just opening the gate and doing a range test. I think I'm about 100 meters from the house, and I got 1 bar, so it's not very strong, but still that's about the range test. But very happy with the internet, super fast, super reliable, easy to set up. And quick update on the living fence. You can see all these, not all, I'd say about 70% of the posts we put in are all shooting. Look at this. Pretty cool how you just stick a stick in the ground and they grow. This was some of the ones that didn't live. And then we just put one next to it and you can see they're shooting. Still got a few more to do. But the front of the property's all done. Okay, well, as you can see, it's a beautiful day. So we're gonna go find some nature, have some fun. Okay, we're in Mane. We've seen a sign. What's it called, Queenie? There was a little tarpaulin saying Kabayan Falls. I actually think it said Kabayan. Yeah, it didn't say falls. It said something else, like valley or something. But it looked like a nice little waterfall. I'm trying to find it. Saying it's 7 kilometers down this road. It's a little side road off the highway, heading up into the mountains as usual. So far all concrete. A few power lines hanging down. This was the epicenter, or the main area that got affected from that big earthquake a few months ago. So you can see a lot of damage here. Okay, Okay, but there's a sign saying turn off down another little road to a barangay Conception. The road's pretty narrow. We used to always come out here on the bike, as I said, but now we got Sebastian, we're gonna go in the car. Sometimes I worry the car gonna get stuck, cause yeah, look at this road. We're locked in. No turning around on this road now. It's getting pretty steep. Yeah, it's like two concrete strip road. It works. I'm just worried if we encountered another truck coming up the opposite way, it would be a bit challenging. But it's really beautiful. Nice clean fresh air. It's nice to be back out in the mountains. It's definitely beautiful out here. Look at that, Daisy. Oh, you know, you're in a friendly village and everyone's yelling out, hello my friend, hello my friend. Oh, it's really beautiful down here. And we met Shelly. She's gonna be our tour guide and she's carrying the baby for us. We're very lucky. Uy. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm getting too old. I never trip over. My God. I just tripped over. The rocks are slippery and I was just telling Queen, the locals never trip over. I think these shoes, I gotta throw them out. They're so bald and worn out and the slippery rocks. It's better barefoot. But, yeah, check this place out. Too busy talking about my shoes.
It's like so beautiful.
Now I know why they call it canyon. It is a canyon. And Shelly, I'll introduce her in a second. She's such a great tour guide. She's carried Sebastian the whole way here. So this one is frozen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are our friends. Oh,
Yeah.
this is the native.
This is Lolo. He
Lolo.
call me Mac.
Mat.
Yes.
But full name is Saint Louis, ba?
St. Louis.
Ah.
The full name.
And your brother, sister?
Yes.
Yeah. This is doing.
This is my cousin and my
Ah, and your cousin?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
This.
You know, I always try to open, but I cannot. It's very hard.
Oh, it's hard.
The skin is so.
It's difficult.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Difficult.
You can see the knife bending.
You like Korean?
He like.
This is like. This one.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow. He says I can fly. Oh, not for me. I'm gonna walk back. Ah, it's such a nice place here. Sure, it's so beautiful here.